Hello guys, Mr. Swanson here. Um, First off, I just want to explain what this is. This is a certificate that you're able to earn. And what it does is it allows you to take this little course, you get a certificate at the end, and it shows that you've done some workplace safety, um, trying to be safe around the workplace and stuff like that, maybe around machines and other things. That helps also around my classroom since I have all kinds of machines, and you guys know I have saws and I have bandsaws and different types of things, soldering irons and all kinds of stuff. So also this also helps later on if like you try to go get a job, you show them the certificate, and it makes you look a little bit better than someone else who doesn't have the certificate. They're like, hey, well this person's done some stuff for safety and some training and stuff, which always looks good before you get a job, and because all places hiring always care about that kind of stuff. So first thing you're going to do is you're in Google Classroom. Obviously, you can watch this video, and you're on Google Classroom, and there's a link to this page. It's this thing right here. Actually, it's without this part right here, and it looks like that. So if you want to write this down, you can, but there's a link. You can just click on it, and you're going to put I don't have an account because you don't have an account yet. So go ahead. You're going to be to this page and say I don't have an account yet, and then you're going to put in your email, and I'm going to put Stephen.new. That's going to be my last name. This is your school email, by the way. And you're going to put student.whsd.org and Stephen.new at student.whsd.org. And then put in your first name and your last name. And so just do that and push continue. Then it's going to ask you for a password, I think. Yeah. So put in a password. I'd put in your password for school, whatever your school is, your school email, like Gmail. That way you don't forget it and you're using it while you're at home and stuff. Because otherwise you might come back to school and like, oh, I haven't used my password for a while and I don't remember. But you're going to be using it to get on Google Classroom, and you're going to use it on this website, so it'll stick in your brain pretty good. And put your whatever question you want. I'll put my father's middle name, and his middle name was Andrew, which is the same as mine. And then click here, and you're over. You guys are all 13 years of age or older. Password. Oh, I didn't put matching passwords for some reason. I thought I did. There we go. And so you put your password, your school passwords, of course. There we go. I'm in. Now, right here, it says courses I'm taking. You're not in a course, it says. That's true. If you were provided a teacher code or a voucher number, enroll here. That's what you're going to do. The teacher code is on Google Classroom as well. It's this one. If you want to pause this and write it down, you can. Then you type it in. You can pause this video right now and write that down. But everybody else is probably just going to copy and paste it from Google Classroom like I'm going to do. I'm going to paste it right here. Yep. So there I go. I paste it in there, and I'm going to click Submit. And then it says your enrollment request has been submitted. Pending seat request. So what it is once you do this, you can't work yet until I approve you. And I'll do that a couple of times a day. I'll keep checking and stuff and approve you so that you can get to work. But what I'll do is I'll give you like 100% if you just do this on this part of the assignment. So I'll just say, I'll create assignment in Aries that says you registered for this CareerSafe or something. And you 100%, just all you have to do is do what I just did right now. It takes like 1 minute. And that's like your day one assignment. The rest of this takes about 5 hours, they say. And it's like 22 little lessons. They're really short. The first one's a quiz that you don't have to worry about your grade. It's a pre-test. So just read through the questions and answer them the best you can. If you fail it, it doesn't even matter. You get credit for it and you move forward. The only one that does matter is the other tests that go throughout to make sure that you're understanding what you just read. Those do matter, and you have to, get a certain grade. I don't know what it is, a C or a B, to keep going. Once you finish this whole certification thing, what I'll do is I'll give you grades. I'll try to give grades as I go along as well, maybe for different lessons if I can figure that out. Worst comes to worst, I'll just give you credit for doing this whole thing, and it's worth like 100 points. And it's like an A for just doing it. It doesn't matter what grade you got on your quizzes inside. As long as you finished it and you're completed, I'll give you the 100%. That's going to raise your grade for sure because you got 100% on a 100-point assignment. That's going to raise your grade a lot. So yeah, definitely you want to do that. And I'll probably also be posting some videos just to give you guys a heads up. If you want to keep checking back Google Classroom, I'll post videos, and the videos are probably going to be me showing off some things. You can probably hear my 3D printer working in the background. I took one of the 3D printers from work that were brand new in the box, and I needed a build. And so I just built it, and it's working now. And this is like the third or fourth thing I'm printing, and I'll show off all the cool things I'm printing on my 3D printer and maybe how it works and whatnot, so you guys get an idea of this machine. And if you guys read them and comment or something, I'll probably give extra credit or something. If you like watch the video and you shoot me a comment or a message that you read it or something, I can give extra credit towards some old assignments, or something like that. Just as long as you're kind of watching these videos, and I'll make them shorter than this one. This one's 5 minutes. I'll make them like 3 minutes. All right. So get this done, guys, or I'll probably be calling you if you don't. All right. Bye.